Alright, picture this. You're scrolling through your phone, seeing all these buzzwords, crypto, DeFi, digital assets, and you're thinking, man, I want in on that. But then the doubt creeps in. Where do I even start? Can I even start? Specifically, you're wondering about Newton. Can you create a Newton account? Is it even worth it? That's the question we're tackling today. Not just a simple yes or no, but a deep dive into what it takes, what to expect, and whether Newton is the right fit for you. Because let's face it, entering the world of cryptocurrency can feel like stepping into a foreign language. There's a lot of jargon, a lot of promises, and a lot of potential pitfalls. So, let's break it down, step by step, and figure out if Newton is the gateway you've been looking for. First, let's address the core question: can you create a Newton account? The short answer is yes, in most cases. But, as with anything involving finance and regulation, there are some important caveats. Newton is a Canadian cryptocurrency platform. That means its primary focus, and its regulatory compliance, is centered around serving Canadian residents. So, if you're living in Canada, you're generally good to go. You'll need to meet the standard requirements, which we'll get into shortly, but being a Canadian resident is the foundational piece. Now, what if you're not in Canada? That's where things get a bit more complex. Newton, at this moment, doesn't officially support users outside of Canada. While there might be workarounds, attempting to circumvent the system is generally not recommended. It can lead to account restrictions, freezes, and ultimately, a headache you don't need. So, if you're outside of Canada, you'll likely need to explore other platforms that cater to your specific region. Let's assume you're in Canada, and you're ready to dive in. What are the requirements for creating a Newton account? First and foremost, you'll need to be of legal age in your province or territory. This is a standard requirement for any financial platform, and it ensures that you're legally responsible for your actions. Next, you'll need a valid Canadian government-issued photo ID. This could be your driver's license, passport, or provincial photo card. This is a crucial step in the verification process, as it helps Newton comply with anti-money laundering, AML, and Know Your Customer, KYC, regulations. These regulations are in place to prevent financial crimes and ensure the security of the platform. You'll also need a Canadian phone number and email address. These are used for communication, account verification, and security purposes. Make sure you have access to both and that they're securely managed. Finally, you'll need a Canadian bank account. This is essential for funding your Newton account and withdrawing your funds. Newton supports various funding methods, including Interac e-transfer and bank wire transfers. Now, let's walk through the actual process of creating a Newton account. First, you'll need to download the Newton app from the App Store or Google Play Store, or visit the Newton website. Once you've done that, you'll be prompted to create an account. You'll need to provide your email address and create a strong password. Next, you'll need to verify your email address. Newton will send you a verification link to your inbox. Click on the link to confirm your email. After that, you'll be asked to provide your phone number and verify it via SMS. You'll receive a code on your phone, which you'll need to enter into the app or website. Then comes the identity verification process. This is where you'll need to upload a photo of your government-issued ID. Make sure the photo is clear and legible, and that all the information is visible. Newton will then use facial recognition technology to verify your identity. Once your identity is verified, you'll need to connect your bank account. This involves providing your bank account details, such as your transit number, institution number, and account number. Newton uses a secure third-party service to connect your bank account, ensuring the safety of your information. After your bank account is connected, you're ready to fund your account and start trading. You can fund your account using Interac e-transfer or bank wire transfer. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons of using Newton. One of the biggest advantages of Newton is its user-friendly interface. The app is designed to be intuitive and easy to navigate, even for beginners. This makes it a great option for those who are new to cryptocurrency. Newton also offers a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including popular ones like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, as well as some lesser-known altcoins. This gives you a good selection to choose from. Another advantage of Newton is its low trading fees. They offer competitive fees compared to other Canadian cryptocurrency platforms. Newton also emphasizes security. They use industry-standard security measures to protect your funds and personal information. However, there are also some drawbacks to consider. One of the main drawbacks is that Newton is only available to Canadian residents. If you're outside of Canada, you'll need to look for other options. Another potential drawback is that Newton's customer support can be slow at times. While they do offer customer support, it may take a while to get a response. Also, compared to some international exchanges, Newton's selection of altcoins is smaller. If you are looking for very niche or new tokens, you may need to look elsewhere. Now, let's address some common questions people have about creating a Newton account. How long does it take to create a Newton account? The process typically takes a few minutes to complete, but the identity verification process can take longer, depending on the volume of applications. Is Newton safe and secure? Yes, Newton uses industry-standard security measures to protect your funds and personal information. What are the fees for using Newton? Newton charges competitive trading fees, which are typically lower than those of other Canadian cryptocurrency platforms. Can I use Newton on my computer? Yes, Newton is available on both mobile devices and computers. What cryptocurrencies are available on Newton? Newton offers a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and many others. In conclusion, creating a Newton account is a relatively straightforward process, especially if you're a Canadian resident. You'll need to meet the standard requirements, such as being of legal age, having a valid Canadian government-issued ID, a Canadian phone number and email address, and a Canadian bank account. Newton offers a user-friendly interface, a wide range of cryptocurrencies, and competitive trading fees. However, it's important to be aware of the potential drawbacks, such as the limited availability outside of Canada and the potential for slow customer support. Ultimately, whether or not you should create a Newton account depends on your individual needs and preferences. If you're a Canadian resident looking for a user-friendly and secure cryptocurrency platform, Newton is definitely worth considering. But, as always, do your own research and make an informed decision. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.